everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. I have unbagging today, so welcome in, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Because when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a Disney mini backpack Loungefly. So brand new, and you definitely want to subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload videos. Alright, let's go ahead and see what I got. This was a little bit of a drama with the Postal Service. You never know what you may be getting, so you're not sure if you use your physical address or use the postal address, because where we live, we don't get physical mail like at our house. We have to go to the post office like to pick it up. So we never know if it's gonna come courier or if it's gonna come to the post office. So 3 days later, finally got it. Because I didn't want to have to drive to Surrey to pick this up. That's quite a ways from where we're at. So, all right, so happy to have it, and let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay. All right, got my invoice. Came in a little pouch like this. It's pretty cool. All right, and this is the Disney barbell, and these are the ghost earrings that are sold out and you cannot buy them anywhere. So I was able to find these on eBay for about the same price, so I grabbed them because you cannot get these anywhere. And I wanted them, and it was one of those things where I regretted not getting them. It's from my personal shopper in Florida. And then they sold out. They had pumpkin ones that sold out. And they may have some of the Mickey and Minnie Halloween earrings. But these were nowhere to be found. Alright, so that is my unbagging for today. These are really cute. I'm so happy I got them. So when you see something, I would suggest getting it if that's what you're really looking for, because everything sells out really fast with Disney and you can miss out, and then you're trying to find it, and then people have it on eBay for 2 to 3 times the price. And I was just lucky that this was close to the original price, so it wasn't too bad. But yeah, definitely don't miss out. Alright, so I'll be putting some pictures on Instagram, so make sure you follow me at Susan Senior Style there. I post pictures every single day, and make sure you leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe.